At the end of 2019, the usage of WhatsApp, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, Pinterest and many other apps has increased. These apps are common and also useful. But in this video we are not going to discuss them. In this video we collected 5 different apps you may never heard before about them. On the number 5 is PhotoMath. It's really a useful and amazing app. It's a touch-away solution of your all mathematics problems. Now you no need calculator, any math teacher, or any mathematics key book. Geometry, statistics, derivation, integration calculus or any kind of question. This app has solution of all type math questions. Just write your question on a paper clearly and launch your app. Scan your question in PhotoMath and tap on this button. And in couple of seconds, here's your answer. Moreover, its specifications are: its size is only 26 MB, overall rating 4.7, it's very easy to use. 100% safe and can install on Android Lollipop or above. Number 4 is Cam Scanner. Many people may know about this app and also using. But this app for them who don't know about this application. As its name Cam and Scanner describes, it scans something by using its camera. Yes, absolutely. It's also very useful app. I'm using it from about 4 years. It works like a scanner to scan documents by using phone camera. Giving 10 star to this app is not enough. How does it works? It simply capture your hard copy documents like notes, pages, ID cards or passport cards or anything and crop it automatically or manually. Its intelligent coding reads captured picture and self-detects what's written on page. And it rewrite your document in new image. Also provides you multiple options for customization. Moreover, also provides exports in PDF and JPG formats. It's recommended for students who copies notes. Its specifications are: file size 72 MB. Overall rating 4.9. Offers cloud storage. It's completely secure. It can be used on Android KitKat and above. Number 3 is Via Browser. The lightest, compact, fluent and very smart browser in Android world. This is amazing browser with just 500 KB size, which is really less than Symbian app sizes. It opens all sites, even supports HTML5, WebGL, JavaScript and everything. Compatible with all pages. Its downloading, browsing, streaming speed is phenomenal. Biggest feature of this app is no ads in this browser. Also allows you incognito mode for private mode. It's a perfect browser for those whose mobile does not have enough space. You can choose user agent mode like Chrome, Safari, Nokia browser, IE11 or custom mode. Also save a bookmark, give you feature of night mode for your eyes, and more you can download and observe yourself. Here are its specifications. Size only 525 KB. Rating 4.3, no bugs, fast and compact. It can install on Android 2.1 Eclair, Ice Cream Sandwich and above. Number 2 is AppVN. AppVN is free app store from where you can download all Play Store's paid games and apps for free. It has interface like a mobile site. And how to download any paid app or game from Play Store via AppVN. We will learn in this clip. But it's a Vietnam app, and its default language is Vietnamese, which we can't understand, so note and follow me to change it from Vietnamese to English. Click on these 3 lines in left upper corner and tap on third number option, then click here and now tap on English, that's all. Now I'm gonna to tell you how to download any paid app or game for free from Play Store. Open your Play Store and search or go any game you want download without pay. I clicked on game option in bottom and opened this premium option. Right? And me choosing Minecraft game. Here no install option and it's asking me to pay. But no, we have to download it for free. So, quit it and tap on these 3 dots in right corner and simply click on share option. Here you are looking a pop-up. And simply click on AppVN. Just wait for seconds. And now hit on download, you will see a pop-up for login will appear and just tap on close, your downloading will be start. Let it download and then install it manually. This app is not available on Play Store. You can follow download link from video description. That's all, and enjoy. I also like share its some specifications with you. Its size is 22 MB. Rating 4.3. No root required. Free premium app store. You can install it on Android ice cream sandwich and above. Last, but not least. Number 1 is Recycle Master. It's also a useful app for our daily life mobile usages. It's a recycle bin of mobile like our computer. It can protect our precious data in case of accidental delete. It makes backup of everything which we delete. And we can recover it from this app or can delete permanently. This is interface of our app I'm showing you in mobile screen. These are folders of our deleted data, but these are empty yet. Now I'm going in gallery to delete some items and show you. How does it works? Me marked one video and some images and deleted. Now you can see those files are saved here. Now we can take action to restore or delete it permanently. And at the end its specifications are: its size is 8 MB. Rating 4.0. It protects data. Fast data recovery. Compatible with Android Lollipop and above.